Wait, now hold. Come back. Hold. Wait. Yo, listen.
Puri on the south side. Watch out.
Brim on the south side already, okay?
Brim on the south
Yo,
side.
kill the
South
guards
side,
here. Careful over the wall, okay? Q's in the beast and the guards in the front. Q's in the beast. Yo, DPS, don't be scared, man. Stop being a pussy.
Southwest
Okay?
Brim, Southwest Brim, Southwest Brim.
Careful. They're on the southeast side, right? Yo, can I get some guard runes in the front line and smash the southwest
Puri on
gate?
your southwest side.
Yeah, Brim on the southwest, okay? Brim on the southwest, Brim on the southwest, careful. What's that 100k? Chill, my nigga. What the fuck? Careful. Steezy looking. Keep smashing. Yo,
This is the GA Buri.
yeah, I see it.
Watch out, Charlotte.
They're shallow. Malga, get ready. Wait. Odoni. Shallow the tank. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank southeast. Kill it. Come back. Some DPS missing, man. Careful, bumps. Careful inside. Careful behind. Bumps.
The Brim looking.
Yo, Marlika, careful. Brim in inside. Careful. Oh, just smash the south gate first. Okay?
Yeah,
Steezy
bahay.
looking,
Ayun na, they're gonna have engage. They have engage.
Steezy looking.
Coming.
They're shallow on me. Heal me. Good. Heal me only. Okay, wait. Heal up. Malika, get ready. Malika, step up. Southwest on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the gate. Gate. Come back north. Okay. Come back north. Spread. Def over the wall. They have pop over the wall. Listen, they have def over the wall. They have engage over the wall.
They have engaged. Watch out.
Yo, listen, Q's in the beast, okay? Q's in the beast inside. Kill the guards inside, okay? Q's in the beast and the guard. Smash the gates southeast. Smash the gates. They have 2 engage, okay? They have a bomb. Malika, get ready. Wait, southwest, get ready. Hold. Heal up. Get ready to headbutt, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt, southwest now.
Watch out, Puri.
Yo, Brim. Def inside. Heal up.
Sangkay looking ha. Sangkay.
Sangkay is where? Q's in the... Yo,
East side.
careful on the east side, Sangkay's on the east side, okay? So they have Sangkay, okay? Listen, kidnap the tanks inside, okay? Kidnap the tanks inside. Malika, look at the blue. Wait. Onto the blue. Wait,
They're gonna have engage. Watch out.
Oh, it's
They're gonna have engage, yeah. Just smash the southwest gate. You careful, they're stepping out southwest. Ready, def. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every southwest now.
Brim.
Now heal up. Q's in the beast inside. Yo, kill tanks inside, okay? Kill the tanks inside. Yo, listen, Q's in the beast and the guards inside. Careful on this jug. Listen, they have a kidnapper, okay? Careful, they have a kidnapper. Heal up front line. Heal up my front line, okay? Just wait.
Puri on
Careful.
the low room. Watch out.
Yo, careful, okay? They're stepping up one by one. Yo, hold, heal up, guard on my... Yo, kidnap is out, and Mookie is outside, careful. Def, southwest. My goodness, man. Like, what's the point of me... Brim south. What's the point of me calling it out? Southside shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southside shallow. Kill inside. Like, what's the point of me calling it out that Mookie's outside and then everybody's just fucking watching it, man? Careful, please.
Yo, they're gonna have invading deep. Watch out.
Mookie's gonna step out again, okay? Careful. I mark him already, party one. Careful. Watch him. Heal up. Smash this southwest gate, okay?
Southwest over the wall.
Yeah. Careful.
Puri on the south side over the wall. Watch out.
Sangkay on the chest also.
Sangkay on the chest, okay? Smokey is stepping out slowly, okay? Yo, listen. Can I get the healing hood on top of this Zerg in front? You see this, Listen, he's gonna dash. When he dash, just heal him, okay? Get ready, okay? He's looking. Healing inside. 5, inside 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill Mookie inside. Def. Kill Mookie here. Kill Mookie here. Careful over the wall. Come back. Careful over the wall. Careful. Heal up.
Both of them have engage after 5 seconds.
Brim engaging? Okay, care. Heal up. Malika, they're looking on the gate, southwest, okay?
Brim is still southwest over the wall. Never mind.
Careful, Brim southeast, heal. Okay, wait. Malika, look at Mookie. He's gonna engage over the wall. He's engaging over the wall.
Kina,
Def over the wall.
kina,
Def over the wall. Headbutt over the wall. South 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Over the wall. Kill this. Kill this. Kill this. Kill this inside. Kill this. Hello. DPS. Wait. I don't have CD. Okay. Wait. Yo, kill Shinobi and guards inside. Kill Shinobi
They're gonna
and
have
guards
engage
inside.
after
Kill
5
Shinobi
seconds.
inside.
Watch out.
Yeah, they're gonna have engage. Okay. Kill
Yeah,
Shinobi
who
inside.
killed
Kill
the
Shinobi
southwest?
inside.
Southwest.
Okay,
Brim,
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 the
brim, brim,
southwest.
brim, brim,
Brim,
brim,
brim,
brim,
brim,
brim,
brim.
brim, 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 Nilab. You ready def on me, they're gonna look here, okay? Kiss
Mookie
the
looking,
instead.
Mookie.
Okay, looking, careful, wait, ready def,
Mookie,
okay, over the wall,
Mookie.
def over the wall, 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 heal up, pass, okay? Wait. Okay, get ready, Malik, get ready to step up southwest, okay? Get ready to step up southwest, okay? Wait, hold, just get ready, okay? Careful,
Yo, put him on
just
the south
wait.
spear, watch out.
Come back out,
Brim
wait,
southwest,
hold,
brim
hold,
southwest.
step,
South side.
wait. Step up. Heal up front line. Spread northwest side,
They
spread
will have
northwest side,
engaged,
spread
watch
northwest side. Yeah, they have engaged, okay? Spread northwest side only. Careful over the wall, okay? Brim is on the south side, okay? Brim is on the south side, okay? Careful. Mookie is looking. Ready def. Marlika, after the main engage, we walk in, okay? Careful of side. Def. Heal up. Main engage gonna come soon, okay? Just wait. Look at inside. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill everything inside. Come back. Yo, help me. They're gonna look here. Yo, Mookie looking. Bounce him. Potion. Def. Oh my god, boys. Come on. Where's the defenses, man?